Hi, I'm Stuart from SOB Leadworks. Welcome to the next job. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so here we are. We've got this, I don't know what you'd call it really, like a flat roof to a gate post. So as you can see, I've already put the copper drip round. Let's go up ladder and see what it's about. So we've just got this flat roof area. It's too big to be done in one because it's 1.4 square metres. So the maximum we're allowed to go is 1.2 in code 5. So what we're going to do, just put a wood roll bang in the middle, which I've just set out. So we've got the copper on, we've got the underlay in place. So we'll start getting some lead cut up and get the first one on there. Okay, so that's that wood roll screwed in now. I've just knocked up that first bay down there as well, ready to go. So we'll get that one up here, start bossing over these undercloaks. Okay, so that's that undercloak bay in now, both those undercloaks knocked over. So what we'll do now is knock up that overcloak and get that one up here. The only problem with this is because there's no scaffold, it's really awkward for somewhere to put the ladder, because obviously once you've got the lead sliding out there, you can't get a ladder there until you've dressed it down. And even actually when you've dressed it down, you still can't get a ladder there because you can't put a ladder against the side of it. So I'm gonna have to figure that one out. But what we'll do first anyway, we'll get all those tools cleared over to the other side. We'll get that overcloak bay knocked up, get it up there and go from there. Okay, so that's that overcloak bay fitted now. I've just finished knocking over both of these roll ends now. And so now that's done, what we're going to do now is we're going to trim this splash lap up. I just normally do that to sort of like 50mm and just angle it off at the fronts a little bit. So we get that splash lap trimmed up. Then we can start looking at getting all these edges down and turned into the copper. Okay, so that's all these edges dressed down now and all turned into the copper all the way around. It's a bit hard to see. Unfortunately, I can't get anywhere else because I've got no scaffolding to stand on, so I can only really do it from the top here, but you can just about see that all those edges are dressed down and it's all turned in. So what we've got left now to do is we've got to weld 4 corners. So we've got one there, got another one there, and one there to weld, and one there. So I'll cut some sticks, get that all cleaned up, and we get those corners welded. Okay, so that's all those corners all welded up now. So all we've got left to do now is put some patination oil on this. And that will be job done. So that is all oiled now, and that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SOB Leadworks. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.